Hi guys, welcome back to APO Creations. So I used the extra black resin that I had left over from my last project, and then I painted the vine stuff. It's gonna be, you know, crazy anyway, because some of the black, went outside the rose. Sorry, I can't talk. Ugh, got heartburn. So the green I used is Lily of the Valley from Laura's Art Corner. Be sure to check all of her stuff out in her store. It's amazing. Also from Laura is the Octopus Ink Smurf. So into my 220 mils of Apex resin. It's just the high gloss. I am going to put a couple of squirts of the Smurf. And this video is part of the Friendship Express train, hosted by Susie at Serendipity Creations, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, and Tina at Pour Resin with Love. So be sure to check out the playlist in my description below so you can binge watch all of the creations. All right, so, and if you can hear anything in the background, like murmuring, it's the ebook that I'm listening to. Okay, so I am going to okay, perfect amount given the fact that I already did the roses. All right, you know what? Where's my lighter? Oh, here it is. All right, let me move this back. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on my G3. I'll keep an eye on it for bubbles, but I will see you when it's time to demold. So I just set it on flat for 2 hours. So hopefully it will be ready to demold when it's done. Okay. Oh. Okay, hang on. Little clippy clips. Oh, this is weird. Yeah. It's all wavy. Well, I'll fix that. So what I think that I might do is take the part of the vines where the black went over. Actually, I think it's kind of pretty, but I'd like to go over those areas with like a different blue, or a different green, I mean. Okay, so I'm going to trim this overage while it's still soft. Okay, so now I am going to put this UV DTF on there. And it says, bloom boldly, let your beauty be your statement. I can't tell if that's centered or level and all of the, I have no idea. Nah. Good enough for government work, right? All right, so now I'm going to mix up just a smidge of resin and put it over this, and that way it'll cover up those wavy things. So I did go over this, you know, where it was black, and you can still see some of the black because it wiped off, whatever. But I used some of this Noel mica powder, and now it looks really pretty. And it looks really nice with that blue. Although you can't see it because there's the red background. So, all right, I will be back. So into the Bond Crafter 1-to-1 resin, I put some Special Shimmer Effect powder pigment. It's called Suncatcher, and it says, I think, Glitz and Glam. Anyway, Laura sent it to me. It's from Lorez. So, Laura's Art Corner, gotta check it out. And it is so beautiful. Oh, absolutely stunning. But yeah, so it's just a little bit, it should just be enough to cover it. Sorry. Look, it's bedtime. Okay. Oops. Sorry. I caught the cord. Hang on. I don't think this is level. Oh, it is. Okay. So pretty. Let me zoom you in. Look at how pretty that sparkle. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna, because it's got a UV DTF, I'm not gonna turn the G3 on, but I am gonna cover it because the wind is blowing something awful here. And I know that it will, even though my windows are locked, closed and locked, the sand and the dust will find its way in. It always does. So yeah, so I'm just going to put the cover over it to protect it, and I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you for the next one. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.